Balak mo bang kumuha ng Toyota Corolla Cross V? Hintayin mo hanggang dulo kasi sasabihin ko yung updated price at kung sulit ba talaga siya for you. What's up guys? Welcome back sa channel. Kung bago ka dito, subscribe ka na, lalo na kung plano mong kumuha ng brand new car dahil dito natin binibigay ang real talk na specs, presyo at kung sulit ba talaga. Kung naguguluhan ka kung sedan ba o SUV ang kukunin mo, baka ito na ang sagot. Sa panahon ngayon, hindi biro bumili ng sasakyan. Kaya bago ka mag-decide, dapat alam mo, sulit ba talaga? Tipid ba? At para kanino ba to? At hintayin mo hanggang dulo dahil ibibigay ko yung updated price na pwede mong asahan. Ngayon, isa sa pinaka-in-demand na crossover, ang Toyota Corolla Cross V. Himayin natin from engine, features hanggang real-life usability. Para kanino to? Ang Corolla Cross V ay nasa pagitan ng sedan at SUV. So, kung galing ka sa Vios o Altis, ayaw mo ng sobrang laki like Fortuner, gusto mo ng mas mataas na sasakyan, baka ito na ang sagot. City-friendly siya, pero kaya rin long drive. Hindi siya intimidating i-drive, lalo na sa masisikip na kalsada at parking. Engine muna tayo. 1.8-liter 4-cylinder DOHC dual VVTi engine. 138 PS at 6,400 RPM, 172 Nm torque at 4,000 RPM. CVT transmission, continuously variable transmission. Anong ibig sabihin nito in real life? Yung dual VVTi, mas efficient ang fuel at mas smooth ang power delivery. Yung CVT, walang gear shifting feel, tuloy-tuloy ang andar. Perfect sa traffic, walang jerk, walang bitin sa arangkada. Hindi siya pang racing pero responsive siya sa daily use. Driving experience. Sa actual driving, light steering, madaling i-control. Smooth acceleration, stable kahit highway. Ground clearance around 161 mm, so hindi ka masyading kakabahan sa humps at konting baha. Suspension setup. Front, MacPherson strut. Rear, torsion beam. Ibig sabihin, comfortable siya, hindi matagtag. Fuel consumption, real talk. Fuel consumption, city, 10 to 12 kilometers per liter. Highway, 15 to 18 kilometers per liter. Kung chill ka lang mag-drive, kaya pa tumaas. Fuel tank capacity, 47 liters. So, isang full tank, kaya mo ng long drive without worry. Perfect sa out-of-town trips like Tagaytay or Batangas. Exterior naman tayo. LED projector headlights. LED DRL, daylight running lamps. LED rear combination lamps. Power folding side mirrors with signal. Wheels, 17-inch alloy wheels, 215/60 R17 tires. May roof rails rin, pwede ka maglagay ng cargo box kung traveler ka. Design-wise, hindi siya aggressive pero very premium at malinis tignan. Tipong hindi ka masasawa kahit tumagal. Interior naman tayo. Dito siya panalo. Leather seats. 6-way manual driver seat adjust. Rear seats with armrest. 60/40 split folding seats. Cargo space, around 440 liters. Ibig sabihin, kasya grocery, luggage, kahit pang travel. Legroom pa? Maluwag kahit sa likod. Headroom, hindi ka masisikipan kahit matangkad ka. Plus, mataas ang seating position, so maganda ang visibility mo sa daan. Infotainment and tech features. 9-inch touchscreen display. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Bluetooth or USB connectivity. 6 speakers. Meron ding push start button. Smart keyless entry. Multi-information display. So very user-friendly. Kahit hindi ka techie, mabilis mong matututunan. Safety. Isa sa pinaka-importante. 7 airbags. ABS with EBD. Brake assist. Vehicle stability control. Traction control. Hill start assist. May reverse camera na rin for easier parking. Ibig sabihin, hindi lang comfort, pati protection, covered ka. Maintenance and reliability. Since Toyota to, expected mo na madaling maintenance, available ang parts, mataas resale value. Hindi ka mahihirapan sa long-term ownership. Isa to sa dahilan kung bakit maraming kumukuha ng Corolla Cross. Pros and cons real talk. Pros, comfortable ride, tipid sa gas, premium interior, reliable brand. Cons, hindi siya sporty. Medyo simple ang design. Walang sunroof for some variants. So, kung hanap mo ay comfort over performance, panalo ka dito. Ito na yung inaabangan mo. Updated price ng Toyota Corolla Cross V around 1,350,000 to 1,420,000 pesos, depende sa dealer at promos. Kung gusto mo ng lowest DP, flexible monthly, promo discounts, nasa description yung link kung saan mo ko pwedeng makontakt. At kung nakaabot ka dito, solid ka. Subscribe ka na para sa mas maraming ganitong car reviews na straight to the point at walang paligoy-ligoy. See you sa next video!